Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Alex. If you didn't know, I am going to be doing a tutorial on redecorating your decor without having to buy a whole new set. So stay tuned. And if you would like to know how I got this look, go check out my last video and I will link it. So this is a huge mirror that we're going to be transforming today. You can see it's super plain, but really big. So stay tuned and see how we glam this doll up. So what you're going to need in this video is any mirror you want to redecorate. And then these little, I don't really know what they're called, but I got them off Amazon, so I'll link it down below. And they do come in different sizes, so lengths are different. And then they even have literal ones, so like if you wanted to do a picture frame, which I actually did and I'll show you guys, you could redecorate that. So you're also going to need glue sticks and a glue gun. I got these from the 99-cent store. Literally a pack is $1. This came I think with a pack and it was $1 too, so saving you some money. Okay. So the first one I'm gonna be using is this 6-row length one. And so I'm gonna not even cut it. I'm just gonna lay it down and actually glue it as we go along the mirror. So I'm just gonna put this right at the trim of the mirror. Let me show you. So what I'm actually doing here is I'm lining it up, just making sure that I like the way it looks and the size of it. I'm gonna start from this corner to the end, and then when I come back down this way, I'm going to stop here. You can overlap it if you like that look better, but that's just how I'm gonna do it. So that's your business or whatever. So when your glue gun is hot, you want to go ahead and put the first dot at the edge of the corner, just so you can lay down the material and have somewhere for a starting point. And you want to be careful just because the glue will get pretty hot. So now that I've glued the first part of it, you can see that it's easier to guide this strip along. So what you want to do is just little by little, since the glue dries very quickly, and if it doesn't attach while it's still hot, it'll just mess up everything. So you want to go little by little with the glue and gently press. And I mean, don't press down because you will burn yourself, but just gently press to where you can see it's sticking. Now it's longer. So this is a great way to cover up the little crack that I have here on my mirror. I'm not sure how that happened, but it did. But we're gonna fix it. So now that we have her all bedazzled and gorgeous and ready to hang up, I am gonna have my boyfriend come in and give me a hand because he's so big and strong. So he is going to be putting this mirror up, and I don't know the tools there. Can you tell me? Okay. First, we have wall anchors. We're gonna need 3 of these. And these are smaller wall anchors that are gonna go on the top part of the mirror. Then we have 3 mirror mounts. These are going to be for the bottom portion of the mirror to hold it in place. And then top mirror mounts as well. Of course, you're going to need your handy dandy measuring tape. Yeah, baby. And a Phillips screwdriver. And also a lovely, 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 lovely pen for marking where you're going to put them in the areas. So what he did was measure the length of the mirror and then made sure it was right in the middle of our wall from that end to this end here. And now he is just marking where he is going to place those little wall mounts. And voila! She is done! Look at how pretty. Alright guys, so this is the DIY set. Like I said, you can use this as well to do picture frames. I even decorated the top of my cookie jar. That goes here, another picture frame, and also my wine bottle at the bottom. And just put that all together to get this beautiful set here. I also had these 3 other mirrors that I actually DIY'd as well, and they just came out so cute, all 3 of them together, and we placed them right in front of our dinner table. And it just really put the whole set together. Thank you guys for watching.